What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Everlyn Chanel. For those who are new here, for those who are returning, I just want to say welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, y'all, so today in this video, I'm not necessarily going to show y'all the full look, but I am going to I'm going to be using concealer for foundation, and I'm gonna let y'all know like how I feel about that, okay? Because I've never tried that before, so today is my first time trying concealer for foundation, and I'm gonna let y'all know how I liked it, okay? But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the vibe, turn your notifications on, drop a like or two, especially if you like this video. Like, drop a like, drop a comment if y'all like it, okay? But yeah, that's enough of the introduction, so let's get into the video. So y'all, I've already done my eyes and everything, and I've already primed my face. I used the Cover FX mattifying primer, and now I'm just gonna conceal all my dark spots. I'm going in with, of course, y'all know what time it is, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade early I don't know why I said early, but orange corrector. And of course, I'm just gonna conceal all my dark spots, okay? So today for foundation, I'm gonna be trying the concealer for foundation look, okay? Because I've never tried to use just like concealer for foundation, so we trying that today. Okay? And of course, I'm gonna use my Black Radiance, my Black Radiance True Complexion. And I'm gonna use the middle shade, which is the Sculpt shade, and like I said, I'm gonna be using it as foundation. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna say that I get it now. I get it, okay? That's fine. Ooh. I get it. I like it. I feel like I'll probably do that more, but I think maybe I would have to get like maybe a different concealer. I feel like the shade that I used, it matched perfectly to my skin. That I do feel like it matched perfectly, but I feel like I didn't like that I had to keep dipping into it, but it could be because I used a cream contour. So that's probably why, but I'm definitely here for the Contours foundation, because yeah, it look good. It look good. It is. Yeah. All right, so I'm still going to contour my face. And of course, y'all know I'm gonna use my handy dandy NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Golden Honey, and I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes, my forehead, my lip bridge, my nose, and my chin. And I always forget to say my Cupid's bow, but I don't know if I'm gonna highlight that today. We gonna see. We gonna see. I'm going to go back in with the Black Radiance Cream contour palette, and I'm going to use the contour shade in there, which is that dark one. And I'm just going to contour my nose, contour my cheeks, and my jawline and my forehead. I hope it works, because it's going to be like cream on top of cream, but I guess I don't see why it wouldn't work. But we going to see. We going to see. Okay, y'all. So far, I'ma just say I still like it. I still like it. I feel like everything blended well, and it blended easier. Like, I don't know, but I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so let's go ahead and set the highlight, and I'm gonna be using my Sacha Buttercup and my Juvia's Place mixture, of course, just to set my highlights, of course. And then after that, then of course I'm gonna do set my contour. Radiance True Complexion palette in the shade Sculpt, which I guess is the powder version of, well, I guess not, because it's a little darker. This shade is a little darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that to set all of my contour. Okay, y'all, so now that everything is blended in, it's time for a little glow. Okay, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia, I'm sorry y'all, I put that all on the camera, but the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be using the shade Hot, is this one? Hot Sand, I think. Yeah, it's that one, Hot Sand. And of course, I'm just gonna highlight my nose, my chin, my cheeks a little bit, and a little bit of my forehead. Definitely going to like in the summer, I'm most definitely going to be using concealer for my foundation. Like it feels lighter. It feels much lighter. So I get now why people use concealer for foundation. Like, you know, not that, I mean, it didn't bother me or nothing, but I just want to see like how it worked. But I don't know, I might definitely be switching over to concealer for foundation because it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, okay, that's that for the video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you have not tried like concealer for your foundation, I'm gonna suggest that you try it. Like, period. Like, I don't know, you have to try it to know what I'm talking about, but it feels so much lighter. Like, literally, it just feels like my skin, if that makes sense. I don't know how to describe it, but it just literally feels like skin. Like, it doesn't really feel like I know I have makeup on. Even just looking at me, like I know I have makeup on, but it definitely just feels like skin. And well, I don't know, it feels lighter than my regular makeup because I already don't use like too much makeup. Like, I don't like cakey makeup and real like pounded on. Some people like that. That's not myself though. I don't like that. But yeah, if you haven't tried concealer for your foundation, I strongly suggest that you try it. You might just fall in love. Okay, sis? Period. But anyway, okay, so I hope y'all like this video. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the vibe. Drop a comment down below. Even if you decide to like try the concealer look and use your concealer for foundation, let me know, and let me know like how it worked for y'all, because it worked well for me and I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna see how long it lasts, but I really liked it. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Yeah. Okay, y'all, that's it. I don't know what else to say. I'm probably rambling, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video. I love y'all. Y'all continue to be safe. Be safe. But yeah, I love y'all. I will talk to y'all later. Thank y'all so much for watching.